life ain't like that. So I'll keep listening to the old songs that my granddad used to play, full of pain and heartache and desperation. And the ones that got away, the ones that speak to me the way I feel today.